Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
Let's take a look at some of the stocks on the move. Today we can do that with Bloomberg's Alexandra Semenova. Alex, what are you looking at?
Good morning, guys. The first name I'm looking at is Instacart. The stock is falling this morning after Reuters reported that the FTC sent the grocery delivery company a civil investigation demand. The FTC is seeking information about one of the company's AI pricing tools. Apparently, a study showed that some shoppers got prices up to 23% higher. The FTC declined to comment on this, but they told Reuters that they are, quote, disturbed. In a blog post dated December 18th, Instacart said that recent reports around that surge in pricing inaccurately blurred together fundamentally different things: A/B price tests, dynamic pricing, and surveillance pricing. So it will be interesting to see what the FTC finds. The stock right now is down about 1.5%, but a lot less than it was in pre-market trading.
All right, good one to watch for. What's next?
Of course, we have Lululemon today. Activist investor Elliott Management has built a stake of more than $1 billion in the company. Elliott apparently has been working for months with retail executive Jane Nielsen. She is a former chief financial officer and chief operating officer for Ralph Lauren. Nielsen is viewed by the activist investor as a potential CEO candidate. Of course, the company had said that CEO Calvin McDonald would be stepping down at the end of January. Just taking a look at shares right now, they're up about 7%. The stock rallied 11% since Friday when they boosted their full year outlook and also announced the departure of McDonald. However, if you look at Lululemon shares, they're down about 46% this year. So completely understandable that Elliott would want a turnaround in this company.
Micron.
Yeah, a positive sign for the AI trade. Looking at shares of Micron right now, they are surging about 11%. This is, of course, the largest U.S. maker of computer memory chips. The company gave an upbeat forecast for the current quarter. They also signaled a surge in demand, and supply shortages are allowing the company to charge more for their products. Analysts had estimated about $4.4 billion in revenue for the average period, but Micron actually blew out expectations. Their revenue will be $18.3 billion to $19.1 billion. It is benefiting from the voracious appetite for AI computing components. Its executive vice president of operations said that this is the most significant disconnect between demand and supply that he's seen in 25 years.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.